It's me again. I got a little review of this thing. It's a Dewalt. Hold on. Get my glasses. Let me get the birth control glasses out. Let's see. There we go. It is a Dewalt DCS438 3-inch cutoff tool. What is my impression? Well, first of all, my impression is I used it to cut a piece of 1/2-inch iron here, and it cuts. Don't get me wrong, it cuts fine. It doesn't. Let's just say it's not a bad tool. It doesn't kick ass. I mean, if you want to cut something, you buy a bandsaw, obviously, because bandsaws cut better. But it doesn't. It's lacking oomph. I mean, I have 7 grinders, and let's just say I can cut off shit faster than this. Is that a problem? I don't really think so. I mean, to be fair, I have what do you call it? What else? What are cutting tools I have? I have a bandsaw. I have an abrasive cutoff. I have a pneumatic 3-inch cutoff tool, and I could probably use a 4.5-inch angle grinder. I don't know what the RPMs are on here, but what is it? 20,000 minimum RPM. It really does feel like this thing cuts slow as hell. I think it's cool. I think it's great. I think it's a nice machine. The other problem is if you're cutting a thing like this, well, guess what? I don't know. I find, yeah, it's got depth of cut, but I don't like that all this is noise. I mean, it's this part of little motor body, which is, like I said, it's not a bad tool. I'm not trying to give it a bad rep, but it's, you know, we're people that have been used to using all the fancy tools and all the ones we have, and you know, I honestly think maybe there's more RPMs on my angle grinder, but it seems like my 4.5-inch angle grinder can cut off shit faster than this. It could be the crappy little disc it came with, but it seemed like it cut really slow, like really slow. Am I going to do like that YouTube channel and put them all out and time them? No, I'm not going to do it. But overall, it's a pretty light tool when there's no battery on it. It does get heavier, so I can't really say for weight, but it seems like, yeah, you know, I like it for what it does. I don't expect, you know, 40 million cuts out of it. This Dewalt blade, as you can see, kind of took a beating. So, do I like these little Dewalt blades? The other thing is Dewalt, these little 3-inch Dewalt blades are stupid expensive. I don't know why Dewalt thinks their blades are better than everybody else, but you know what? You can buy a lot of just the same quality blades somewhere else with a different name on it other than Dewalt. But I mean, for a small little thing, it packs a little punch. The thing I like goes forward and reverse. That's another little feature that is pretty damn cool. How do we get to go forward and reverse? Yeah. This is forward, I guess. That goes that way. And then I guess this one's forward. Which way is forward and reverse? So this goes that way, and then this goes. Yeah. So yeah, it does have forward and reverse, and there's lock in the middle. And so it also has the adjustable little blade guard. It's adjustable, and I guess you can't take the blade guard out. I mean, you probably could if you wanted, but yeah. Oh, and the best part is they put the damn thing on it, so you don't lose it. You don't have to run around 50 million times for your damn Allen key. It's cool they're using Allen keys now, and not some wacky wrench, some weird size with 2 pins in it that if you tighten up too much, the wrench just rips right off. So yeah, overall, it's really ergonomic unless you got monster hands or baby fingers, it might be a problem, but for an average sized person, it's pretty comfortable. It's got a nice little grip on here. You know, it's pretty damn cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure it, won't be around in 100 years, because, you know, like, this thing will, but, well, this might not. My kids might throw it in the garbage, but that's irrelevant. But overall, it looks cool. It fits all my batteries. It cuts. I don't know. The other thing is your battery's gonna get covered in dust. Like if you don't like dirty tools and you don't like it all nasty and powdery when you bring places. But I mean that's just a superficial thing. But it's pretty cool. I wonder if they took an RC car motor and just put inside of a what do you call it, tool? I don't know. Because some of those RC cars have some pretty badass motors. So yeah. Anyway, not bad. I find it, like I said, it cuts slow. That's the only thing. But I mean, like I said, it cuts. It's not a like I'm not in a race, so who the hell cares? Anyway, that's my unedited, unspecified, sloppy ass opinion on this tool. So yeah, if you like cutting tools like this, go out and buy one. They're really cool. If you like speed, go buy I don't know, 7-inch or 14-inch grinder, or buy a chop saw. Buy what do you call it? Oops. My bandsaw does quicker cuts, but it's a bandsaw. What do you get, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click some buttons, and thanks for watching. Toodles.